In this video, I want to talk about how you can delete your credit card on Temu. Now this is really easy, guys. You can do this from the app or just simply from the website. And what you want to do is log into your account, hover your name, and then you want to go to your profile. What this will do is it will take you to your profile settings, and on the left hand side on your PC or just on your phone you can scroll down and you will find your payment methods. Inside of here you should be able to see all the cards that you have connected, and if you have connected one you can edit it to remove it. So you can either update it or remove it from in here, and since I don't have any in here I cannot show you, but this is the place where you do it. Now that's about it, guys, and if it doesn't work from in here you can try and add some random things. Go to the checkout, and when you're at the payment section you can just edit the payment that you already added and remove it and then update it if you want to. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.